If you want to sort the games in your Epic Games library, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is really useful if you have a growing game library and want to organize your games in a way that makes them easier to find, whether that means sorting by recently purchased, alphabetical order, or another available option. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the launcher opens, head over to the Library tab. This is where all of your owned and installed games are displayed in one place. Now, look near the top of your library page, and you should see an option called Sort By. Next to that, there will be a small drop-down menu. Click on that menu to open the available sorting options. Epic Games gives you a few different ways to organize your library, so you can choose the one that works best for you. For example, if you want to see your newest purchases first, select Recently Purchased. If you prefer a cleaner and more organized view, choose Alphabetical so your games are listed in order from A to Z. Depending on the version of the launcher, you may also see other sorting choices available, but the process is the same. Just click the Sort By drop-down and pick the order you want. As soon as you select it, your library will automatically rearrange itself based on that setting. This makes it much easier to find specific games without scrolling through everything manually. And that's it. You've now sorted your games in the Epic Games library. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference when you have a lot of titles in your collection. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.